raise your vibration and to store extra power and energy. The first thing is use peppermint or some sort of mint or mint oil. You can use this in your candle work. You can use it to anoint your body, like in terms of like perfume and things like that. You can also cultivate mint plants and put them around your house or around the outside if it's, you know, during the warmer months. Mint plants are actually really easy to cultivate, and they really grow and spread a lot. And that's why I think they're really great for things like abundance and raising vibration and energy, because they just keep growing, and sometimes you have to like cut them back because they're so good. So even if you're like one of those people that doesn't consider yourself as a green thumb, mint plants are very easy to tend to.
The next really good way to store power is by palms up breathing. So you can just sit in a really comfortable position and have your palms facing up. This allows you to feel and grab and store the energy that surrounds you.
The next thing that you can do to gain power or to define power in your own body is something that's called reverse chi breathing. So normally as we breathe, we inhale, our chest expands, and as we exhale, our chest kind of comes in on itself. And with reverse chi breathing, what we're doing is we're grabbing energy in through the air, and we're going to place it inside of our body. Now, I find it particularly helpful to do this by breathing in through the nose and also exhaling through the nose. When you exhale throughout the mouth, what happens is a lot of times you can exhale your extra energy that is in your body or surrounding your body. So one of the things that I like to do in combination with the reverse chi breathing is to make contact with the point called Hui Yin. It's an acupressure point, and it's found kind of like behind your teeth on the roof of your mouth. So you can put your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and that completes this energetic circuit. So while you're practicing reverse chi breathing or even open palm breathing, this is a really good way to define your own space again and get access to all of the energy that is around you.
Here's an example of that reverse chi breathing. So you're going to inhale through your nose and sink your chest in, and then exhale through the mouth and puff your chest out. While you do this, remember to keep your tongue on that Hui Yin acupressure point. That's going to help you really complete the energetic circuit that's in your body, and it's going to help you start to feel and amass that energy and chi in your body. So remember, when you first start this practice, just do it about 3 to 5 minutes each day to kind of build up your tolerance.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends.